Next command is explode command. Shortcut for explode command is X. This is a rectangle which is created by polyline. These all segments are connected to each other. Now I type here X. You can also select explode command from here. This is the icon of explode command. I simply type here X, press enter. Now select the object. I select this object. Again press enter. Now these all lines are separate to each other. Similarly, here is also one command, join command. By using join command, we can join the all segments and create one segment. For example, I select both these segments and type here J, press enter. Now these lines are single entity. Press escape button. Now type here J, press enter. Now select the object. I select this line, and this line. Press enter. Now these all lines are connected to each other. This is join command.